Hi everyone, it's great to do this video. I'm so excited. Today is February 1st, our first giveaway. It's going to be one of the palettes that's going to be in the giveaway is the Most Loved Mattes palette by Milani, which is a wonderful palette. Beautiful matte colors. The lipstick that's in it is called Soft Rose. I have it on right now. And it's a real soft, natural looking color. On some people it'd be nude. And I also have that White Peach palette and Peach Beach lipstick that goes along with it. What I'm going to do now is a short little hooded eye video. I have hooded eyes. I know a lot of people do. So I wanted to give you some tips on how to do a quick look if you have hooded eyes with the Milani Most Loved Mattes palette. Stay tuned. I already have my eyes with primer and concealer, and I ran a little powder over them. I used the lightest color to set that in. Okay, in the palette I'm going to use as my transition color, let's see, this color right under the second row, first color. I'm going to run that right into my crease, but everybody knows with hooded eyes you can't just run it in your crease, because let me show you what's going to happen if I do that. Let me do this on. I'm trying to do this where you can see what I'm doing. Okay, if I put it directly in my crease, when I look up, it all disappears. So you need to go a little bit above the crease. Okay. But when you're doing your transition color, you kind of go above anyways, even if you don't have hooded eyes. You go from your crease to right on top because you want that color kind of peeking out from your look. I don't know if this is going to be too light. Let me try to get this eye. Okay, and just remember, you have to, when you come with your darker color, it makes more of a difference. Okay, I'm going to use this same little pencil brush. I'm going to pull a dark color. I'm going to use the last row, the middle color, this color here. Okay. And what you do, you want to put it in your outside corner. Just kind of pack it there. And then come right above your crease. Keep it on the outside. I'm going to just darken the outside. Okay, and then I'm going to get the other eye. And you see I went a little bit above my crease, and you can just see it peeking out. Okay, we're going to move over to my left eye. And you got to kind of just, it's kind of hard. And it's kind of hard when you're trying to get somebody to see what you're doing and not block the camera. Okay, going in on the outside here. Okay, on the other eye, we're just going to darken up that corner. You can always, if you put it too dark or too light, you just keep building. But if it's too dark, you get you a brush with nothing on it. And I have 3 Milani brushes they gave me with an order I made. I want to try these also. I'm going to use the fluffiest one. I don't know if they have numbers. No, I don't think so. Okay. I'm just blend this out. I'm putting most of the color on the outer edge right above the crease. Okay. And then I'm taking some of the color and I'm pulling it into the crease. You just keep blending and blending. I'm going to take some of this blending out. So this one looks a little bit darker. So I'm going to go in and put a little bit more on the other side. Milani brushes aren't as good as these brushes, but I'm sure you pay a lot more for these than Milani brushes. I'm not sure how much that brush set is. Okay. I'm going to add a different color on my lid. And these are all mattes, which I like to use mattes. And now with aging eyes and people my age, I know sometimes you have trouble with creping eyes. You can always lift your eye up like this and blend it. As you get older, the skin on your eyes just gets looser. It's just a fact of life, ladies. I'm sure everyone my age has the same problem. Okay, and now the last color we're going to take is this pretty pink one on the, well, that might be a little dark. I'm going to take this pretty pink one here, the second one on the second row. These are some really nice colors. Okay, and I'm going to use my oval Milani brush. And let's see. This is a nice, easy look. And what I'm going to do is just come in on the lid here and blend that in. Blend it into the dark color on the outer edge. That's my look. All I would do now is just take a little small brush and pop some white in the upper arch. And also in the corner. Let's use some of this. This is the new Too Faced highlighter. Let's pop that in the center corners of our eyes and let's just see how that looks. The Milani shadows though, I find they're a good shadow. They're just a little powdery, but if you tap it off, you can work with that. It might be better though if you do your eye makeup before your face makeup. That way you won't have so much fallout on your face. You can clean it up and then put your face makeup on. Alrighty. now I'm gonna line my eyes off camera and put my lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay, beauties, this is my finished look. I added some Huda Beauty lashes in Cocoa, and I put a little light liner under my eyes. I tried to put a little shadow to kind of smoke it out, but they are a little bit powdery. But I cleaned up around the edges. I always need to clean up. Okay, and this is my final look. Before we end this session, I just want to say, please make sure and remember to subscribe to be in the drawing. You must be a subscriber of mine. Second, you need to make a comment under this video. Just comment on if you have a suggestion on a future video, or if my videos are a little bit too long, should I shorten them? Any kind of suggestion I would really appreciate. You will not hurt my feelings as long as it helps me. Second, let's see, you need to be 18. If you're not 18, please get the permission of your parents before you enter. The drawing is for national and international. Everyone that subscribes is eligible for this drawing. So just make sure, that's the main thing, is to subscribe and make a comment. Now, if you watch any other video that I put out in February, in the month of February, and you make a comment under that video, all you gotta say, you don't have to say anything in particular. You can say, hey Kendy, and that'll be an extra chance to win, because it's just gonna be a random drawing. And if you watch five more videos plus this one, you'll have 6 names in the drawing. The winner will be announced in the first video in March, probably March 1st. I will say it in the video, and I will put it under the video. And you have 3 days to contact me by email. I have my email at the bottom of the description there. So good luck to everybody. I'm so excited. I'm thinking about what I'm going to get for the March drawing. I know one thing I'm definitely getting, if I can and if they don't run out, is that Jeffree Stars palette. I can't wait till that comes out. So I'm definitely getting one, and I want to buy an extra one for that drawing. There's a few things coming out. Also, Kat Von D's coming out with some new things, so I'm excited about the next drawing already. So I hope this all works out. If I have to change the rules next month a little bit, we'll talk about that then. But good luck. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.